Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you useful trick for USB flash drive. When you use your USB flash drive on different computers, there's a chance it might catch a virus or harmful software. But you can do something simple to shield it from viruses and prevent files from being erased. This can be handy if you have important stuff on your USB drive that you want to keep safe and intact while using it on various computers. I've inserted a regular USB flash drive, and I can change files on it or even remove them from the USB. So firstly, search for CMD command prompt and open up command prompt as administrator. Now, enter the command disk part. After that, you should type list disk and hit the enter key. This will show you a list of all the disks on that computer. You can find this information in the computer management. Here, my USB flash drive is labeled as disk number 2. Now, I'll choose disk 2. Now, type the command attribute disk. And it will display all the characteristics of this specific flash drive. As you can see, the read-only option is currently switched off. You can activate read-only mode by using this command. Let's take another look at the attributes of the disk. Now, you can see that the read-only option has been turned on. Here if I try to edit any file information on USB drive, here it's not going to allow me to do it. Let's try to copy a file to the USB drive. It won't let me copy the file, and it's saying the disk is write protected. Now, I'll simply use another command. Attribute disk clear read only. This will take away the read-only setting from the USB flash drive and return it to its normal settings. This will enable you to copy, paste, and edit files on that USB flash drive. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any queries, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more useful tips and tutorials.